The skies over the UK are among the busiest in the world, and when the schools break up for the summer holidays, they get that little bit busier. Thanks to a strong pound, cheaper fuel and a recovering economy, more of us are taking to the skies, with over 2.2 million flights and 220 million passengers in UK airspace in the past year. The task of safely managing all this movement falls to the air traffic controllers at NATS.
NATS is the UK's largest air navigation services provider. We provide air traffic control and engineering services in the UK national airspace and at many of the UK's largest airports. Across the UK, we handle, on average, about 7,000 flights a day. Over the course of a year, that's over 2 million flights through the UK airspace, and the average delay per flight is less than 2 seconds. We invest a huge amount of effort into our delivery of air traffic management in the UK, and our purpose is to keep the skies safe and deliver the best possible customer experience.
NATS can trace its roots back to the early 1960s, born out of the UK's very first air traffic control system. Nowadays, they are responsible for directing around 7,000 flights each day. But with all the schools having now broken up for the summer holidays, demand is at a peak, and the number of flights is expected to be nearer 8,000.
Since I joined the company in 2001, our greatest achievement has been our transition from a publicly owned company to a private organisation, against the backdrop of increasing volumes of air traffic and air traffic complexity. Every day is important to us from the point of view of air traffic. We start the preparation months in advance. We look at airline schedules, airport capacities, and that creates a picture of the demand in the system for us. We use that to staff our operation appropriately and ensure that everybody gets away for their well-earned summer break.
Here at the control centre in Swanwick, one of two in the UK, NATS handles high-level air traffic travelling over London, southern England and Wales. Last year it managed over 1.8 million flights, and 230,000 of them were in July alone.
At Swanwick, this is a really busy sector of airspace. The southeast of England has 5 massive airports. At Heathrow, we broke the record a couple of weeks ago and moved 1,390 movements in one day off 2 runways. And at Gatwick this year, over the summer period, we're expecting around 900 movements per day on a single runway. Everyone working in here, all the controllers, will have leave this summer with their families and friends, so they're all the travelling public, and they will all, in here, make sure that everyone gets away on their summer holidays very safely and very efficiently.
When you look up, you may see a clear blue sky. However, Britain's airspace is a complicated network of flight paths and air lanes, managed around the clock to ensure that we can enjoy our summer holidays with minimal fuss.